Hey, what's up, my Quality Gamers? My name's Quality Boy, and I guess I'm ranking bald people? Diglett? Diglett gets an A tier. The Rock, S tier. The Rock, he's a very good man. And then we also got Diglett. He's kind of a Chad. Homer Simpson. Homer Simpson gets a C. F. F. Dude, my boy Aang gets an S tier. My boy Charlie Brown gets a A. What is going on? This is glitching. What the heck is this? We got Bane. Alright, so Homer, kind of stupid, kind of fat. See, these two make the bald community proud. This guy makes the bald community feel shame. This guy, I have no clue who he is. Dude, we got, is that Morpheus from the Matrix? Dude, he gets an S tier. Squidward. What is going on? Ah, the Squidward is everywhere. No. This guy, hideous. This man, kind of a Chad. This guy, hideous. This guy, it's Gru. What's going on? Master, my boy Master Wu. No, I don't want Voldemort. Voldemort is a D. I want my boy Master Wu. Dude.
Why is Shrek low?
Who?
Shrek.
Shrek gets C. Dude, look at this Chad looking guy. The most Chad bald man is Morpheus from the Matrix. The least Chad bald man is whoever this is. Actually, no, I changed my mind. This guy right here. What even is that? Well, dude, actually, it might be The Rock as the most Chad because he did get his own Fortnite skin. And he endorsed the original Xbox. He is the foundation in Fortnite. And also, he endorsed the first Xbox. This guy, he's the avatar. This man, he's just a plain Chad. Ninja Master, really good Sith. And then this guy, I don't even know who he is. He just looks cool. Dude, it's Walt. It's Walt. Let's go. My opinion on bald people, they can be cool, as long as I don't become bald. I like bald people, but I just don't want to be bald. Cause I don't want to be bald because if I wear this beanie when I'm bald, I'll look like a cancer patient.